This is Sal drinking an entire liter that is, of soda, and oh my gosh, I don't believe he's doing this. He hasn't done this since high school. Well, high school he only drank half of that, but this is the first time Sal. This is the first time I can't talk tonight that Sal is oh my god. This is like unbelievable. Sal is actually burping as he's drinking the soda. Now he's got to take a break. He's feeling like he's gonna throw up. Oh my god, here we go. Okay, now he takes 1 minute. Now he's coughing. He's coughing again. Oh! Yeah. Wow. Oh. Yeah, he's choking now. Yo, that's a lot of soda. He's gonna go for it though. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. He's gonna go for it. He's gonna finish that soda. Oh, this is unbelievable. Look at him go. This is like, this is history. Sal has never done this in his whole life. I mean, maybe once, but other than him throwing up all over the rug last time. You remember that, Sal? This is a moment on YouTube. This is gonna go on YouTube, Sal. As we zoom in on Sal. Sal has to take a break. Yeah. Yeah. And oh, he almost throws up. Try to do the alphabet. I swear, why is she? No. There goes Sal again. Right now I'm going to bounce the camera and type at the same time, so. And if the camera's a little shaky at the moment.
Find something how to.
No, that's enough. Well,
No, it's like full. I want to do that.